It is great to have you back here at Coin Lady channel. A lot of investors get themselves into problems when they say things will be different this time. However, I am of the opinion that XRP will be an exception this time around. This time is different. According to the article's title, XRP is impending bull run. Resolution of the SEC case is one of 3 reasons given. I am impressed by that. The impact on the XRP price has not been noticeable thus far. Relisting on big exchanges is something I'm expecting to happen, though. You would be loaded to the gills if you told someone that XYZ currency would be listed on Gemini, Coinbase, Kraken, and every major US exchange. It occurred with XRP, therefore it's definitely going to happen with XYZ coin. And the next bull run will be completely different because of that. I believe this will be the most profitable bull run for XRP ever since it has direct fiat liquidity in the US. The third factor is the widespread usage of CBD worldwide. Furthermore, I disagree. I believe the XRP ledger will demonstrate blockchain's usefulness in a significant way. It has the potential to become a huge deal in the future. In the end, when all the cards are dealt, XRP settles any asset on the blockchain. However, I must admit that I do not believe it will have a significant impact on the price of XRP during the upcoming rebound. The addition of multi-level marketing, MLM, and stable currency is going to be the major issue that I will replace it with. Coming up in a little, we have some really exciting news. I will discuss stable coins, a Ripple partner, and man, it would be a huge game changer if it added USDC to the ledger. CZ is unable to exit the US due to the inanity of the court's review. I believe the sentence will be held in February, once again. He longs to return to Dubai and spend time with his family, but they are preventing him from leaving the country. Since he voluntarily appeared here and entered a guilty plea in court, I can't help but believe that this is quite little. As if he is going to ruin this bargain by skipping sentence again. But the US administration is acting as though they have already brought you here and aren't going to risk anything. He may be allowed to return home at some point if they file an appeal, in my opinion. At this time, however, they are stating that security concerns prevent them from allowing him to use Cosmos with their inflation cut. From 19% to 13.4% per year, the inflation rate for Cosmos Atom will be cut. Will this discourage validators from running infrastructure, and if so, what impact will it have? Investors are wary of Atom due to its low inflation rate, and although this has a good impact, the Cosmos hub's overspending on securities is the root cause of Atom's overall inflation rate. According to their calculations, the break-even point for inflation is around 10%. They have already packed their numbers into the election, so we will have to wait and see what happens in the long run. The only thing I'm not sure about is whether or not 13% will be enough to motivate everyone when prices aren't going up over the long haul, but I do think it might be a good move going into a bull run, when prices should be appreciating. The partnership between Circle and SBI to increase USDC circulation in Japan is what I meant when I said this was a huge news. Even though no stable coin is without flaws, I prefer that one over Tether and the others. The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank was witnessed, and it almost led to a major issue with Circle's USDC. It is my sincere hope that the financial sector's troubles have been somewhat mitigated. However you look at it, that is the one I like the most. Plus, I have a major Ripple partner at SBI that I'll tell you about. Mr. Kitao, who doesn't blink, may be willing to work with Circle to boost USDC adoption. Bring up the fact that you know of an excellent spot on the XRP ledger to distribute your stable coin. Clutchbacks and all the features you could ask for are in the works, by the way. To me, it resembles a pyramid and paradise. Oh, how I pray we reel in a large one. Eventually, stable coins will be available. Unfortunately, USDC and Tether are not on my radar. It seems like a perfect spot for sending and receiving stable coin value easily. What's intriguing is that Coinbase has more custody wallets than any other company, and yet all these major firms are asking for a Bitcoin ETF. I don't get why VanEck chose Gemini, but otherwise they have all of them. For that reason alone, I would not approve of their ETF. Their self-custody and faithfulness followed. They have the necessary infrastructure in-house and don't rely on Coinbase. However, everyone else is using Coinbase, so the question arises, will other companies emerge to compete with Coinbase, or will Coinbase continue to dominate this sector? I suppose that other companies will eventually jump on the bandwagon, but for the time being, Coinbase is the go-to company in the US for protecting valued assets. With the law on their side, it's a runaway. You may find this essay named Real AI Use Cases in Crypto on my website. To start, cryptocurrency is the greatest investment option for artificial intelligence. What they mean is that these two systems will work well together as we move forward and develop them. On the other hand, they claim that for every legitimate blockchain initiative that aims to improve the world through the use of AI, there are 100 coins like AI Doge that have haphazardly combined the terms AI and crypto in an effort to create a meaningless fear of missing out crisis. In addition, according to Near's founder, those are merely basic buzzwords. Combining the two technologies in a synergistic way requires significant effort. Now, Near's founder continued by saying that AI and Web 3.0 may accomplish many things that complement each other. And I couldn't agree more. I've been harping on this for quite some time. These two technologies are going to be the backbone of the future, and they complement one another rather well. Plus, I anticipate a great deal of mutual influence. You'll need to thoroughly examine this. Once again, you will encounter numerous items such as AI Doge, which are not actually related to crypto or artificial intelligence. Proceed with caution. Here soon, I hope. Because of their extensive knowledge of the industry, I could consult with Jerry Hall and Nick Black. I enjoy slightly picking their minds. I believe that artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency will experience significant growth in the near future. The key is to identify promising projects. We caught a glimpse of that early in the year, but I truly believe that 2024 will be an explosive year, but proceed with caution. If you have any favorite AI or cryptocurrency pictures, please share them with me in the comments. And as always, I greatly appreciate it when you like and subscribe. See you later, bye.